Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Pentair Easy Touch system. First, ensure all power is off at the breaker before beginning any wiring. This is a critical safety step to prevent electrical shock. Next, mount the Easy Touch enclosure securely to a wall, typically near your pool equipment pad. Make sure it's at a convenient height for access and visibility. We'll cover wiring and programming in the next steps. Now let's talk about wiring your Easy Touch controller. You'll connect the main power supply, typically 240 volts, to the designated terminals within the load center. Then, wire your pool and spa equipment, such as your filter pump, booster pump, and heater, to the appropriate relays. Always follow the wiring diagram provided in your Easy Touch manual precisely. Double-check every connection for tightness and proper insulation to prevent any electrical issues. With the wiring complete and power restored, it's time for initial configuration. Power on the Easy Touch system and navigate to the main menu. Here, you'll set the current date and time, which is essential for scheduling. Next, identify and assign your pool equipment, such as your main pump, spa pump, and heater, to their respective circuits. This step tells the Easy Touch what devices are connected and how to control them, laying the groundwork for automation. Finally, let's dive into scheduling and advanced features. You can now create custom schedules for your pool and spa, setting specific times for your pump to run, your heater to activate, or your lights to turn on. For example, you might schedule your filter pump to run for 8 hours daily. Explore options for controlling multiple lighting zones or integrating with other Pentair products. This allows for complete automation and effortless management of your pool environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.